Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, if your PlayStation 5 controller microphone has suddenly stopped working, you are definitely not alone. This is a fairly common issue, but the good news is, most fixes are surprisingly simple and quick. In this guide, we will walk through common problems and their solutions, helping you get back to clear communication with your friends in no time. Let's dive right in and get that mic sorted out. Before anything else, let's cover the quick, essential checks. Your DualSense controller has a physical mute button just below the PlayStation button. Give it a press to make sure it is not accidentally muted. If you are using a headset, double-check it is firmly connected and its own mic is not muted. Then, head into your PlayStation 5's sound settings. Just make sure the correct input device, often your controller, is selected there. These simple steps often solve the problem right away. Software glitches are a very common culprit. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console's system software is fully up to date. Head to Settings, System, and then System Software. Don't forget your controller itself needs updates too. Connect your DualSense to the console with a USB cable and check for controller firmware updates in the Accessories menu. Keeping everything updated often resolves unexpected microphone issues. If the simpler steps haven't worked, let's go a bit deeper. You can try rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database, which is done through safe mode. This often fixes system file issues without affecting your games. Another effective troubleshooting step is resetting your DualSense controller. Look for a tiny pinhole on the back, near the L2 button. Use a paperclip and hold it for 5 seconds. This often clears out stubborn software glitches. If you have tried everything and your mic is still not working, it's time for a couple more steps. First, try connecting your controller to another PlayStation 5 console or even a compatible PC to see if the mic works there. If it still fails on multiple devices, your controller likely has a hardware issue. In that situation, reaching out to PlayStation support for warranty or repair options would be your next best bet. We hope one of these solutions got your mic working perfectly again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.